Time for letter sounds and words, and we're going to start off with speed day. So that means we're going to say our letter names as fast as we can. Then we'll go back and we'll do our letter sounds as fast as we can. Here we go. Let's start off with J, E, L, T, G, A, B, D, C, Q, O, H, U, R, N, M, W, Z, S, K, I, F, Y, P, V, X. Okay, now we're going to go through them again. I'm going to mix them up here a little bit, and this time we'll do letter sounds. Please remember when we get to the vowels, the purple ones, we are going to say both of their sounds. Okay, long and short. Here we go. And starting with, cut it in half. Y, P, V, X, W, Z, S, J, N, E, T, D, K, Qu, A and O, H, and U, F, K, O, I and I, G, A and A, B. Great job, you guys. Okay, let's get into our rhymes. Remember, our rhymes this time is I give you the rhyme, you have to add on a beginning sound to make a word. I'll give you a little break to do that, then I'll give you some examples. First one is O. Show, snow. Next one, ink. Wink, blink. Good job, you guys. Okay, I'm going to say 3 words. They're all going to start with the same, let's see, it's a digraph. They're going to start with a digraph. Tell me what it is. Here we go. The, these, though. Shake, shed, shut. Shh, choose, chin, chain. Ch, thirsty, think, thought. And what, which, when. What? Okay, I'm going to give you all the parts of the word. I'll let you know when. Build it back together and tell me what the word is. Here we go. K, ch. Crunch. Sh, I, k. Shrink. Ch, I, China. Breathe. Shapes. Shapes. Shadow. Shadow. And friend. Bashful. Chicken. And cheesecake. Yummy. Okay, let's find the digraph. It's going to be hiding somewhere at the beginning, somewhere in the middle, or somewhere at the end. Here we go. Got to listen carefully. Clashing. Clashing. Sh is in the middle. Thankful. Thankful is at the beginning. Athlete. Athlete is in the middle. Thunderstorm Thunderstorm is at the beginning. Workbench. Workbench is at the end. Clothing. Clothing is in the middle. Hush. Hush is at the end. Teacher. Teacher is in the middle. Punish. Punish is at the end. And marched. Marched is in the middle. Okay, put your gum in and get it up nice and soft. I'm going to tell you the word and you're going to pull it out. Give me all those sounds, okay? I want to hear them all. Here we go. First one is thinner. Thinner. Quench. 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 Brother. Brother. Catcher. Catcher. Chili. Chili. Polish. Polish. Feather. Feather. Ticklish. Ticklish. Shamrock. Shamrock. And chimp. Chimp. Good job, you guys. Okay, I'm going to change up the vowel sound in the middle. It's going to go from long to short or short to long. So pay attention and let's find out what the new word is. Here we go. You ready? Heed. Change E to E. Head. Mile. Change I to I. Mill. Robe. Change O to A. Rob. Man. Change A to A. Main. Sit. Change I to I. Sight. Set. Change E to E. Seat. Fate. Change A to A. Fat. Duke. Change U to A. Duck. Slope. Change O to A. Slop. And slid. Change I to I. Slide. Good job, everybody. Okay, I'm going to give you the end of the word. I'm going to give you a new beginning sound. Tell me what the word is now. In. Add sh. Shin. Eek. Add ch. Cheek. Elf. Add sh. Shelf. Rice. Add p. Price. Mile. Add s. Smile. Ream. Add k. Cream. Lied. Add s. Slide. Road. Add st. Strode. Apes. Add ger. Grapes. And ice, add per, price. Okay, let's take away a beginning sound. Tell me what's left. Here we go. Brave. Take away b, rave. Brace. Take away b, race. Price. Take away p, price. Pride. Take away p, ride. Slide. Take away s, lied. Strive. Take away stir, I've. Spine. Take away s, pine. Stage. Take away st, age. Plate. Take away pull, eight. And trade. Take away t, raid. Okay, it's time to end with our nursery rhyme. Remember, this week we're going back to ones we've been doing in the past. So today's is a tisket, a tasket. Let's get those back in our brain. Get it back in our brain. Here we go. Let's say it together. All together with a tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy picked it up and put it in his pocket. Great job, you guys. I'll see you later.